up! The video's already started, you butthead! Oh my god, you're so disrespectful! Stop being so disrespectful for once! Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the... Shut up! Oh my god, you're so freaking annoying! Alright, today we'll be doing different characters from different anime.
Different character from different anime!
My sister here will be doing My Hero Academia, and I will be doing Danganronpa or Danganronpa, whatever how you spell it. I mean, say it, not spell it. You heard nothing. I know how to spell it. All right, so we will each have like.
You said 5. No, 6.
I don't care how long we do it. I'll just. When I say stop, we stop.
So technically, when you're done, you're probably gonna say stop.
No, I'm gonna make about 4 characters, and then. So you better make them fast. Don't take your time, because I make mine so fast. Now, before we start, think of who you're gonna make!
Oh my god, God dang.
Oh yeah, make sure you put the names. That's the last thing you want to forget, you know. So, I'm gonna think and go ahead and put the names in the profile. So I think I am going to go with, if I can think hard enough, maybe I can go with, Peko. Peko's pretty easy, I guess. I can memorize her. I won't be popping up any pictures, so I'm going to have to memorize them. That's why I'm trying to go for the perfect ones. Which one are you doing?
I want to do a Sue.
A Sue? I think I'm going to do Sonia, maybe?
How do you spell her name?
A Sue, you're stupid. Just do Asui. A-S-U-I. I will be doing maybe a Butsuichi. That's pretty easy. And then maybe Rantaro. Okay, I have all mine done. Now, hurry up!
Okay!
Oh my gosh, you ungrateful brat!
There.
Brad, don't do that laugh again. You kind of sound like freaking Runa.
Make me. I laugh anyway.
Alright, start now! I think it's this color. Oh my gosh, this looks like nothing like her, probably. This, alright, done with Sonia. Good enough. Shuichi. Okay, I don't even care about the freaking scissors! I'm Shuichi Saihar, the ultimate detective. Sounds like a freaking, I don't even know. So one thing I always forget. And then I'm done with Shuichi. Oh, Rantaro. My bad, I keep thinking of Cookie. People? He must be late. Whatever. Rantaro. Oh, he died. Good enough. Alright, time's up. Stop. Stop.
No.
Stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing.
I'm putting on shoes!
Stop what you're doing. Time's up.
No.
Stop. Play it right. Stop it. Time's up. You freaking brat. Time's up. Stop. Stop what you're doing. Time's up. Stop it.
Let me make...
No. Time's up. We specifically said that there's only... Once I'm done, we're done. Oh my God. Stop it.
I'm done!
Alright. We'll be showing our first characters. In 3, 2... And 3,
Did you just see my character?
2, 1, show. My name is Stu. Okay, now you gotta do a voice.
No.
You gotta do a voice now.
No.
Yes.
So, like,
Just say Suyu Asui or something.
my name... No, I can't put in my voice.
My name is
My name... Excuse me, you're talking about me? My name is Suyu Asui.
Peko Nama. That was pretty good. I don't know. No.
Waffly.
Alright, next one. I can't even remember what she looked like. Oh, I know what happened! I know what made her just look so freaking odd. Oh, I see that.
Oh no, does this mean I need to voice these two?
Oh no! Alright, you ready? 3.
Hold on.
Oh my
I'm
god!
trying wrong.
You're so slow!
Okay.
Also, guys, I'll show you the pictures. Like,
Oh, you can see mine clear.
okay. 3,
No.
2, 1. Oh, you got. Oh. Why did I want the flower crowd that goes for freaking Izuku? Why? Just why is it? Alright, you gotta do it now.
At least I made Deku better.
Wow. Alright, now.
I can't. Like, I know his voice. It's like in my head. Like,
Izuku Midoriya! Ew!
Izuku Midoriya. No.
That sounded normal.
That sounded. Yeah, I'm like, that sounded so normal.
Okay, we'll be right back until she freaking figures it out. Alright, she figures it out. Now say it.
Izuku Midoriya.
Alright, we're just keeping that.
Izuku Midoriya.
Never mind. Ow.
Izuku Midoriya.
Oh, hold on. I gotta get like, Sonya, never mind. Ew. That kind of sounded like freaking screechy. Her voice is kind of like, Sonya, never mind. I don't know. Alright, now, oh shoot. Oh, this is my normal Shuichi. Freaking copied.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, hold on. What's the point?
I ran out of time! He looks like a banana, though.
What was the point? Oh my god, how do I keep forgetting it's a Hokage?
Whitney, when you said time's up, I was trying to put on this one hat.
Oh.
But I kept passing it.
Oh. Alright, here's my Shuichi. It's a common freaking thing that I keep making. Oh shoot, I gotta do his voice. Oh, what the heck? Alright, now. Alright. I feel so bad. What? Can you even make his voice, huh? Ew, what are you doing? Hurry up!
Okay, I'm thinking.
You're wasting time!
God dang, what's your problem?
Is Tara the Hokage? I don't know. Freaking dumb.
Okay.
No! Hurry up!
Okay. Genki Kaminari.
It's the least I can do. Alright. I gotta get like a Shuichi Saihara. Shuichi Saihara. Shuichi. I did it! Shuichi. Why are you saying so? It's Shu.
I said shoe.
Shuichi. Because the H isn't silent, you stupid. Alright, now, oh shoot. Alright, I already showed it off. Next!
Okay.
How would that a character? Just come up with one. Uraraka, I don't care.
No!
I don't care.
No, I'm picking. I already picked
Yeah.
in my head. It's gonna be Todoroki.
How the heck are you gonna get Todoroki? Alright.
His voice is deep.
Alright! Do it already!
Should I Todoroki?
That was horrible! No freaking great! Hold on. Alright, you're done now. That's your final result.
Todoroki.
No, that's not the same! Alright, let me try mine. Rantaro Mani. You know, like, at this point, I don't even know. Alright, I think I'm gonna, we're just gonna show you guys when we're done with all of our characters. So, I'm doing My Hero Academia now, and she's doing Blood Sea, so, yeah, bye. Alright, we're finally done, because she took forever! Alright, we're gonna show our first don't mind this.
Oh, my foot's stuck.
Because I honestly don't know what the outfit looks like. I forgot. So we're going to show them. And 3, 2,
Hold on.
1, go.
Hold up.
Show me yours.
There we go.
3, 2, 1, go. That's all you had to do! Bitch, that makes me look like you!
Okay, hold on.
Alright, she doesn't even know her name. Oh my god, she's stupid. She doesn't have glasses.
She takes off her glasses when she fights.
Oh wow. And I'm the one watching Bloodseed before you, and I completely. Oh my god. Alright, try to do a voice. No, I'll do. Mina Ashino.
Hi. Something like a soft voice, like.
Alright. That's the best I can do. Alright, oh. And oh. Alright, next. 3, 2, 1.
Oopsie.
Go.
Oopsie.
Go.
I think she's from like a different anime, but like.
Why would you get someone from a different? Because then you can't name them. Alright. Momo Yaruzu. I said her name wrong. My name is Momo Yaruzu. I don't know if that's her last name. Yaya Rozu. I don't know if pronounce her name. Or just say a random name for her. Make her a random voice. Hi! Alright, next one. 3, 2, 1, go! You go first. I just. I think her name was Kyoko Jiro, so Kyoko Jiro.
Okay,
I don't even know. Kyoko Jiro. Alright, that's the best I can do. I don't even know. No, we're gonna have to hear